Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm in my front room, and I wanted to come right quick and review this vacuum cleaner I just brought. I ordered it the other week, and it came in 2 days. And I ordered the Black and Decker AirSwivel vacuum cleaner. It deep cleans, it swivels, and it is lightweight. It is a 2.0 dust compatibility. It has attachments. I'll show y'all those. It's a 3-in-1, so it is, and it's a 1 year warranty. So let me just show you what the box is looking like. So let me scoop that for you can see it. Alright, that's what it looks like. And things. So, yeah. And let me try to pull this over here for y'all to see. Already, I used it, and I got up a little good amount of dirt and dust and things. That's is incredible. It's easy to clean. This is what you take out to clean. I just wanted a new vacuum cleaner because my aunt who lives out to my mom's house has my mom's original vacuum cleaner. It's a Kirby. And I have had a vacuum cleaner almost like this once before, but I think that was a Dirt Devil. Yeah, there we go. But no confusing the two. But this one I love. I love how it looks. I love how it does. And y'all, if I can recommend this, I would highly recommend this. I wanted to give a shout out to none other Black and Decker. Oh my God, this is the best to me, in my opinion, for somebody who actually does vacuum her house, and I just needed to get certain areas clean real well. This is a good thing to use. I would not do not sleep on this one because I think this one is a great one. This one was, I got this off of Target, and it was originally 60 something dollars, and I got it for $56, and I got free shipping with that, with my order. So this I got on sale at Target. So y'all don't sleep on Target. Target has some real good vacuum cleaners. If you're on a budget and you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner, I think Target is a good place to check, and Walmart is too. But this is a good brand, and I know for a fact you can find both of these brands on Target.com, Walmart.com, also Amazon.com, and if I'm correct, Overstock.com. But until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.